Welcome to day number 37. In this episode of 5 Luo Words a Day, we shall talk about the 5 words, and if you've not been following this channel, please scroll back to day number 1 so that you can see all the 36 videos on 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we shall talk about Alemo. Alemo, also known as Alemo. Alemo. So this is a new grass. It's a new grass. When it's growing somewhere, you can say this is Alemo. Our second word is Alendu. Alendu. So Alendu is a type of simsim. In a sentence, you can say Oriwo simsim mar Alendu kod njugu. Oriwo simsim mar Alendu kod njugu. Oriwo simsim mar Alendu kod njugu. Our third word of today is also called Alendu, but now this is a species of grass. This is a species of grass known as Alendu. Lum mar Alendu ok tuoga mayot ndalo oro. Lum mar Alendu ok tuoga mayot ndalo oro. So that is feminine. Alendu grass is very good for feminine. There's a sentence, I don't know whether that's true. Our fourth word of the day is alii. Alii. Alii biro gwari ka idonjo e bungu gi onyasa. Alii biro gwari ka idonjo e bungu gi onyasa. So alii is a type of species of thornbush, and it might scratch your skin. Our last word today is aliech. Aliech. So aliech is a cow that is given as bride price, but it's only given when the marriage is successful and there is a child out of the marriage. So dhiang' manyinge aliech ni ne onyuom go atieno. In a sentence. I'll take that again. Dhiang' ma nyinge aliech ni ne onyuom go atieno. Dhiang' ma nyinge aliech ni ne onyuom go atieno. And that brings us to the end of the 5 Luo Words a Day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing to the channel or joining to become a member. Tomorrow we talk about other issues in day number 38. See you tomorrow. Oriti.